Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're going through the Higher Paper 3 of 2023. And if you want to see the first 9 questions, look at the foundation paper because they overlap there, as they often do. This is from question 10 to 12, Higher Maths GCSE. Doing question 10 here, we have to make M the subject of this. So it's rearranging. First thing we'll do is do K minus P equal to positive 2m over 5. Then we're going to multiply through by 5. 5k minus p equal to 2m. Then we'll divide through by 2. 5 over 2 k minus p equal to m. And you could have a different form of that. You could have expanded that, but I could have that line all the way over there, all divided by 2. But that is sufficient there. I've done the opposite operation, the balance method, to pretty much solve for m. In each case, I'm doing the opposite operation. So minus p on both sides, times by 5 on both sides, and then divide by 2 on both sides. And that would get me the 3 marks. 5 over 2, k minus p. Question 11. The floor plan of a house is drawn using a scale of 1 to 50. So that's a linear scale factor. On the plan, a room in the house has a floor area of 48 centimeters squared. So that's an area. So if that's the linear scale factor, the area scale factor is then going to be 50 squared. So the area that we want to work with is going to be 48 times 50 squared. Do that on a calculator. 48 times 50 squared, which is 120,000 centimeters, but I want to know what that is in meters squared. Okay, so I've got 120,000 square centimeters. Now remember, 1 square meter is 100 by 100 centimeters. So we're dealing with 10,000 square centimeters. So I'm going to divide through by 10,000 and I get 12 there. Okay, let's just check that again. 48 times 50 times 50, I get 120,000, and then I divide through by 10,000 to get 12 square meters. Okay, so I've taken that 120,000 and divided by 10,000. Those will drop there, and those will drop there, and I'll be left with that 12. Okay, and I get a nice 3 marks there for 12 square meters. Right, question 12 here is an area of a sector. Do have a look at the short that I've made on this. It's a sector POQ, center O, and has a radius of 6.2. And the area is 82.6 square centimeters. I want to work out the size of angle X. So if you have a look at the short that I've made on this, remember that the area is equal to the full circle, which is pi r squared, times the fraction of the angles. And in this case, that's what we're looking for. So the area 82.6 is equal to pi 6.2 squared times x over 360. So if you set up that equation and then solve for x, you should get the right answer. So I'm going to do 82.6 divided by pi 6.2 squared is equal to x over 360. It is a calculator question, paper 3. So I'm going to do 82.6 divided by pi times 6.2 squared, and I get 0.68, so on. Times that by 360 to get me x, times by 360, and I get 246.2. X is 246.2. Does that make sense? Given I know this isn't drawn to scale, but we're looking at a reflex angle. So an angle bigger than 180 does make sense. And it's only worth 2 marks, although I have done quite a bit of work there for that. Okay, there we go. That's questions 10 to 12 for the Higher Paper 3 GCSE 2023. Do have a look for the foundation paper if you want to see questions 1 to 9 because of the overlap, and do have a look at the shorts for area sector. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and good luck for your exams.